everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a really easy eyebrow routine. So the first thing you want to do when you're starting off is you want to brush your brows out with a spoolie, as you can see right there. When we are doing our eyebrows today, we're going to be using an LA Colors Auto eyeliner. We're going to be using it in the color black brown. So you want to use black brown. You don't want to use black because it's going to be too harsh. To start off with, we're going to start underlining our eyebrow. As you can see, I have a natural arch, so I'm just going to go ahead and follow my natural shape. If you want to, you can create your own shape, or for the most natural look, you can just follow the shape that you already have. So that's what I'm doing right here, and then after I outline it, I'm just going to go ahead and start filling it in. Most people don't do that line right there, right at the front of their eyebrows, but I promise you it's not going to give you a boxy look. It's going to be very natural all at the end. So it looks a little harsh right here, but the key to that is blending. Duh. So I don't know how that ended up to be upside down, but just ignore that part. To blend out our eyebrows, we're going to use what we used when we were brushing it out to start with, and it's just going to be a mascara spoolie. As you can see, the eyebrow kind of looks messy right now, but you don't have to worry about that because the concealer is what is going to give it that crisp shape. To do the concealer on the bottom brow, we are going to be using the LA Pro Conceal, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. We're going to be using it in the color Toffee. And I'm going to go ahead and use my angle liner brush. All of my brushes are from the brand Crown because that's what was in my makeup kit when I was in school. There's no way to doing this, but we're just carving the brow right here. You can create whatever shape you want. This is the time when you would do that. And like I said before, I'm just going to stick to my natural arch that I already have. Once I create my underline and get that how I want it to look, I'm just going to take the excess product and just blend it out and go down onto my eyelid. Now to do my top brow, if you want, you can use the same color as you did before, but I'm going to use chestnut, and the reason I do this is so that it can avoid that halo brow look. So you want to use a color that's a little closer to what your skin is. You're going to do the same thing you did on the bottom. You're just going to outline your brow, and once again, this is where you create whatever shape you want. Did on the bottom half, you're going to take whatever excess product you have and just spread it and blend it out. You're going to go right back to that mascara spoolie and blend, blend, blend. And like I said before, you see how at the beginning of the brow we had that harsh box shape. Well, now we don't have that anymore because we blended it out. And now to blend the excess product we have, we're just going to take a round blender. You're gonna get that unibrow out of here. You're gonna get that into your skin color. You're just gonna blend, blend, blend. And of course, this wouldn't matter because after this, you're gonna be putting on foundation, so it would blend in there naturally as well. Unless you do your brows before your foundation, which I think is weird, but whatever. And this is the finished product. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple, and like I said, it's only $1. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next one. I do post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, so make sure you go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.